morning, my people. Good morning, my family. So we're going to the apartments we looked at the other time to see if we can finalize things. I don't know the kind of price they gave us after everything. I think the last time I recorded it was around $1,764, right, my love? Right? Then I don't know what they added to the bill, and it's like it's no longer what we saw. So and we already signed some of the contracts, and we're going there in person to see what's going on and to finalize it. If it's something that will not work, honestly, I can't, like, we can't, if it's not what we think, because we can't go and take a house that we can't pay for. Honestly, we can't do that. So like, that's where we're headed to. Come with us, fam.
Hello, welcome in. How are y'all doing?
So,
How can I help you today?
Is Mr. Leaky?
Let me go ahead and see. Is there maybe a message I can give her just in case she is a little busy?
No, because today's will be our moving day.
Move in? Okay, yeah. If you guys want to take a seat, what is your unit number?
Appreciate it.
one of the reasons we are here is because the first time we came here, it was $1,674. Plus, they said, okay, whatever we use for the electricity, then we'll pay for that. Well, I think my husband saw something else, a different price, like kind of high on the high side.
These will be the keys that you guys, or I'm sorry, the stickers that you'll put on the right-hand side up top, so where the passenger sits up top.
This is the outside the house, the building outside. This is a small corner. So this door, you have to just press here. Then you put in your number. When you put your number, you check it, and that's it. So let's do the empty room tour. Finally, we got the place. Just enter. Once you enter, this is the kitchen. So this is one thing I love so much about the house. This stove. It came with a. This is the cabinets. Oh, they thought I was tall. They didn't know I'm a short person. Yeah, but it's clean. We are the first people to live here. So this is the fridge. Okay, this is the freezer side of it, and this is the refrigerator. So while we were still at the office trying to make the payments, they already fixed our electricity. The dishwasher. Yeah, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is actually connected to. It's connected to. It has a good light. Oh, the lighting is not that much. So we're just gonna have a tiny dining table over there. Let's see what's here.
This is the washing room.
Yeah, because we don't really have much space. Okay, beautiful. The wash and dryer is right inside the. I can just be cooking and be doing my laundry at the same time. It's the master's bedroom. Yeah, see, bathroom, toilet. It's spacious too. It's spacious.
I don't think you even noticed this.
What?
What this is? This is when you sit down.
Yeah, where you sit down and if you want to soak yourself or something.
Put your arms
Yeah,
down.
it's also spacious. I like it. But to be honest, the rooms are they're smaller, but we'll manage it. It has a. Oh my goodness, the walk-in closet is even bigger than I thought. So I didn't walk into this closet that day. It's really big. Oh.
You ain't see this?
I didn't see it.
Yeah.
It's actually bigger than what I thought.
Oh, big as hell.
This is another room.
Or the studio.
Yeah, this is another room for real. So this is the other room. You know, one thing I like about this room is the lighting. I can be here and make my videos. This is gonna be my room. Yeah, it's also big. The bathroom is big. This second room also has open space. This big wardrobe. Like, yeah, the bathroom now is connected to this. That means it has two. This is the small closet. So this is connected to my. This is the.
I was talking to my.
No, the master's bedroom now, but this is the female room. So this has one room. This is the bathroom, and I didn't know that when I open this door, it has this big like where I'll put my towels. It is so. Why didn't they use this thing as room instead of squeezing it? You always know how to spoil my video. That's why I sometimes like just cut off your ass, man.
And you know it. Oh!